Kenji, say good morning.
Hi.
Look at me.
Hi.
Say good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
A cold morning. The hoodie back there.
My hoodie?
Yeah.
Say good morning, baby.
Good morning. Good morning. Back
I think she's trying to say welcome back to another vlog. Where she stopped at welcome back to. What the other one is in the bag?
What?
The light green one?
No, it was up front.
Easy with that. That's the computers, right?
I know, yeah.
No, put it next to legend. There's nobody sitting there. Good morning, everybody. Bonjour, les amis. Comment ça va? Comment allez-vous? On s'apprête à quitter là. J'espère que tout le monde va bien. It's our last day here. We have already set up our next destination, like I told you. Ensuite, on va prochainement, comme je vous l'avais dit. Pass it to me. The green one. It's in the front, right? Oh, Kenji, let me get it. Oh, Prince. Close the door. We're fine.
All right.
It's been pretty warm since we've been here. I mean, it doesn't really matter because sit down, put your seatbelt on. There's no water. Seatbelt on. It doesn't really matter because it's an indoor park. But anyway, it's a little cold, so that's what the kids are worried about. Il fait un peu froid ce matin, puis on en va là. Put your seatbelt on before I slap in your mouth. I'm not gonna say it again. No, put your seatbelt on and shut your mouth. Anyway, we just clocked. We just checked out. We're about to head out. Babe, say good morning.
Morning.
And we had a great day. We had a great time here.
They came to the AC.
Yeah, I'll turn this. You want the AC on?
Yeah. Hey, I gave them the heat on. Higher.
Can you get her seatbelt? All right. So now we're gonna head out. We're gonna go meet my sister real quick and see what she's up to. Have lunch with her before we head out back to Oklahoma. All right. Let's get that going, guys.
Santa think it's warm. It's cold.
All right. So we're saying goodbye now to Great Wolf Lodge, Kansas City. Thank you for your hospitality. Couple of weeks.
Take the next right toward Cabell.
Bye. Great Wolf Lodge. Thank you for a wonderful time.
Turn left right.
Anyway, y'all, we're back on the road now. Huh?
No.
What is it?
Do the windshield wiper in the bag. There's no need to do the windshield wiper in the back. You in the bag? No.
Hold on, Prince. Okay. When it's time, I'll do it. All right.
Bag is wet.
Okay, I'll do it. Not right
You
now.
driving?
Give me a few minutes. Anyway, y'all, so we on our way out of Kansas City, driving, trying to get home now. We had to stop at my sister's where she works at Hope City Ministries. They do a lot of good work in the community out there in Kansas City. They have a food pantry, which we're looking at. I mean, they had everything in there. You know, they get a lot. I guess they get a lot of donations from like
Harvesters.
from harvesters, exactly. So they had a lot of stuff in there, to be honest with you. So if you live in that area, you know, the Kansas City area, you know, and then, you know, maybe you're in need of groceries or you're hungry. I think they feed every single day. They have, you know, hot meal to what? The groceries is every Wednesday. But I think that I'm gonna confirm that, but I think they feed every day. So yeah, if you're in that area, you know, in the Kansas City area, you know, look them up, Hope City Ministries. You know, we were there. There was a lot of people in there, so I really couldn't vlog in there, but you know, we sat there, we had lunch there. They made BLT, which was good, you know, with some chips and some juice. So they get a lot of stuff given, and they give pretty much everything away. And it's right in Kansas City. It's called Hope City Ministries. I'm gonna put the I guess the link to the Facebook page in the description.
And the link to the official website when we get home off of our trip. It's Hope City, Kansas City. They have a base out in Grandview, Texas, but they're doing wonderful work within the community. So look them up, guys.
Yep, you know, look them up. And the kids, I think most of the kids are sleeping right now, and we're gonna ride. Right now, as I just told you, the road is raining, so we're gonna ride home. On est sur le chemin là, on rentre déjà à la maison. Et puis, c'est ça quoi, il pleut maintenant, les enfants tombent dans la voiture, et puis on va rentrer à la maison là, d'accord? Alright guys, we're gonna see y'all most likely when we get home, and then we're gonna continue, finish up today's vlog and all that good stuff. Y'all be safe out there. Peace. I'm driving, doing 70, turn it over. I'm doing 70.
He shouldn't be driving with a camera anyways in his hand. But he's driving.
I'm doing 75.
Right. Looking at the camera, that's like texting while driving. It's distracting. He does unsafe driving practices, and I'm sure he's going to clip this out so you don't hear about that.
Johnny,
what's going on, y'all? So we stopped somewhere on the road. We've been whining, crying for the last hour or so. Actually, maybe about 45 minutes ago, but I didn't want to stop because it was raining badly, and you know, visibility is really low, so somebody might hit me if I go on the side of the road. So she's been crying. I drove like an extra 40 miles, and I would stop because then Megan needed to use the bathroom. So yeah, come and go. I had to use the bathroom. She was talking about Baba. She wanted some breast milk or whatever. On s'est arrêté un peu parce que ma petite fille Nolanée a crié depuis il y a peut-être une demi-heure parce qu'elle voulait sa mère. Donc moi je voulais pas arrêter, je voulais conduire un peu. Bon, on s'est arrêté un peu parce que elle voulait utiliser les toilettes, donc on s'est arrêté un peu pour utiliser les toilettes. Et puis c'est ça quoi. Go in your seat, Prince. Back in your seat. Back in your seat. Oh, you feel better now?
Legend, do you know the guy who goes in Mortal Kombat? The ice guy who frees people. That's the robot.
What do you want, Louis?
You know the Zeke. No, Zeke like that.
Put it down. I want to get a drink with it. Here. Here, I want to get a drink with it. Put the phone down.
I can't remember that guy.
I'm gonna walk in and get me a drink, so we're gonna share in the car. That's how we do it. We're about a little bit 100 miles away from the house, so you know, we can sit down and quiet down when I take off, and we'll be home in no time. All right, guys. All right.
There's no Panky. Yes, there is. My favorite character in Street Fighter is the
On est peut-être à 160 km de la maison, je pense. Non, c'est pas trop loin. Si ma fille s'assied et je gaz là, on est dans la maison. D'accord? Alright, man. So, you know, like I said, we're gonna get home soon. We're gonna close out this video when we get home. We're gonna do pizza. Yeah, I see it. Pizza.
Yeah. Okay, it's Sub-Zero.
We got pizza in the car. We'll put it in the oven when we get home, okay?
Ice-Zero.
There goes Mama.
What's the...
See, Mama?
What's in the drink? She's done with
There's water in the back.
What? Shush.
You changed your diaper or no? You just sitting here.
Well, we just sit on those. Relax.
Making our way home and now are stuck in a very long procession.
Mama.
Thank you.
No, take it to the mama. I'm crying.
The kids are better. Noe had a crying fit at one point in time, but she dealt with it. She's now watching My Little Pony. Her eye is still swollen a bit. Yeah. I'm gonna put a tea bag on it and some ice on it tonight in a hot rag.
My eyes
alternate.
My eyes never.
No, you don't. Wish your eye was swollen. Could be allergies. Legend, how you doing back there?
Where
you at? Poke your head out.
Back, Mama.
He hiding under that cover. Yeah, I see. We got something going on up there. I don't know. I can't make it out. See when we get closer.
Oh! Stop it!
Here, put Daddy's jacket on.
No! I can't fit in it. Daddy's jacket.
Okay.
You're cold, really? You just begged me to open the window. You're not cold. Stop it.
Hey! He copied me, that's why.
I don't know exactly where in the world we are.
We're in Oklahoma somewhere.
Somewhere in Oklahoma, right? Yes.
We're only 11 miles away from the house.
Oh.
We're about to get on.
This is bad.
We'll see what this accident is as we're coming up on it. I don't want to focus on this person's vehicle. I think I'm recording their license plate. Like I can do something with it later.
I don't know what to do with you, whatever. I can see it right now. I'm gonna write it down.
Yeah, 16%.
You hate traffic. What the? The blue boy was chasing that boy who was trying to do it.
Oh, it's truck overturned. Stuff you see on Highway to Hell. Okay. And it had to put something out. I don't know. Oh, it derailed. Got all of that.
Flip over.
They can't find it.
The crossing seems to be okay, I think. I don't see any crazy ambulances.
Nope. Unless they already took them. Get up ahead. Yeah.
Mama, Chanty's fighting.
Okay, alright. Exit 34, Tulsa. We'll be home in a couple of minutes, I think.
About 10 minutes.
We'll be home in about 10 minutes. It's been a long trip, as we said earlier. We had lunch at Hope City, Kansas City today with our my sister-in-law Nadia, his sister Nadia, our nephew Benaya, and our brother-in-law Tom.
Enough.
Chanty said a bad word.
Enough.
My bad.
We had lunch there. It was very good. We had a BLT. Uncle Tom. Yes, and Auntie Nadiath's work. Well, she works too.
Applejack.
They're doing great things for the people that are most affected in that area in Kansas City. And so we just want to give them a shout out and say thank you. Thank you for being hospitable and gracious to us as well as visitors and showing us some of the work that you do. We didn't really get to stay too long, interact with the people that were there, but we saw the people that came. There were children, women, young men, older men, all in need of the services and taking advantage of the services that were being offered. So again, thank you to Hope City in Kansas City for all the work that you do. I really appreciate it. My husband really appreciates it, and I'm more than sure that the people that are there more than appreciate the work that's being done. And since I've heard about it, there goes the Hard Rock Cafe, the Hard Rock Casino, right there. Tulsa, Port of Tulsa. I heard about the Hard Rock Casino on TV, but this is my first time actually coming up upon it. So now I see it, give you a better view of it. I want to get this person's car in my video. Hard Rock Casino and Hotel in Tulsa. Okay. Which probably has nothing for children to do, so it's no sense in looking at it.
Yeah, we only go places where we can have fun with our kids. Not places for us.
It's so okay.
Alright.
We do it for the family.
We actually do it for the family. We do it for the family. Hey, everything we do is for our children.
This weekend, guys, this weekend. We're going
So we're just going to show you a bit more about Drive because we're almost home. And then, you know, we're going to get settled back in. We'll be back out the door again in another 4-hour trip. So the next Great Wolf Lodge in Grapevine, Texas in about 2 weeks. So, of course, you know, you'll be seeing that again.
Mom, can I see something again?
What?
They want to go to Chuck E. Cheese.
Okay, so let's close out the vlog. Yep.
Go to it.
And let's say goodbye to everybody. Say bon nuit.
Bon nuit.
Bon nuit. Bon nuit, legend.
Bon nuit, bon nuit.
Bon nuit, bon nuit.
Bon nuit, bon nuit. Wait, Daddy, when you said to skip, Dad, when you said to skip the vlog, there's the vlog.
What?
That thing.
What thing?
On y va?
No, that thing where you start the vlog. Where you start to the vlog this morning.
Bonjour.
No.
But now it's over. We say bon nuit. No, we'll see you guys.
No, where he says, oh, that thing. Blah, blah, blah. With that? Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead, babes. Close it out.
Alright, guys, and as always, we really appreciate your support. You guys watching us and subscribing. We're close to 500 subscribers, man. I think we're up to like 476. You know, kudos to everybody who subscribed. Tell your friends, tell a friend, subscribe. You know, we have great things happening.
S'abonner, abonnez-vous.
Abonnez-vous les amis. Merci beaucoup pour les abonnements. On est à près de 500 abonnés déjà. Le but c'est d'atteindre 1000 pour le moment, d'accord? Donc abonnez-vous, continuez de vous abonner. Et puis je vous remercie infiniment de suivre notre chaîne chaque jour.
Which way is saying to go, babes?
If you're new, huh?
Which way is saying to go?
Keep left at the 4.
Okay.
If you're new and you haven't hit that button yet, just go ahead and hit that button, man. Hit that subscribe button. Si vous êtes nouveau, appuyez sur le bouton s'abonner. Thank you so much, guys, and we'll see you tomorrow. And as always, on y va!